Take this gas-powered cold water pressure washer. It has all the power and accessories you need to tackle countless projects around your home or business. And it's proven to do the job faster to save you time and money. With 2.6 gallons per minute and 3,200 PSI at your fingertips, you can blast through mud, dirt, and debris quickly and easily. Adjustable pressure means you're ready for virtually every job, big or small. Get smooth running power and fuel efficiency for dependable performance day in and day out with the Powerhorse 212cc OHV engine. Experience field-proven dependability from the high-quality, maintenance-free axial cam pump. You'll enjoy all the convenience features you can ask for, from the built-in nozzle holder that keeps the right nozzle within reach at all times, to the onboard soap tank that eliminates the hassle of using a siphon tube and separate container, to the 3-foot lance and rear entry gun, plus 30 feet of braided high-pressure hose with a wraparound holder. Get smooth, balanced maneuvering in every situation with the high-quality push-down style cart that features a sturdy steel tube frame with large 10-inch pneumatic tires and an easy grip handle. See for yourself why this Powerhorse pressure washer is in a class all its own, combining function and value in a product that challenges the notion that quality comes at a higher cost.